Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to charge your Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to take this original charging cable which comes with this device. Here we can see two sides on the cable. This one is USB Type A and it needs to be plugged into any source of power. For example, working PC or a laptop, power bank or power adapter which doesn't come with the device. So, I will plug it in. And now let's take a look on the second side. It doesn't have any name, but we need to know that this side needs to be plugged on the back of your band. Here, if we will take a look on it, you can see these two silver connectors, and on this charger also two dots. We would need to connect it like this, but because this charger is magnetic, it may be not plugging in, as you can see. So we would need to rotate our watch like this and then try one more time, and as you can see, it's successfully attached. Also on the screen we can see the charging animation, the current time and current battery percentage, and also around the screen you can see the charging process. Now let's talk about how long it will take to charge them. So basically it takes about 1.5 hours, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.